Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Twitch account that owns the channel. This is necessary because channel points are per channel. Once signed in, open the creator dashboard from your profile menu so you can access channel features. Make sure your channel isn't restricted and that requirements for features are met, since Twitch disables rewards on suspended channels. Once done, navigate to the community section to find the channel point settings and prepare to enable and customize them for your viewers. You now enable channel points by toggling the feature on in Community right arrow channel points. This activates the economy for your channel. Next, customize reward names, costs, and cooldowns so the system matches your channel style and engagement goals. This matters because pricing affects how often viewers redeem rewards. Make sure to upload icons and set mod-only or subscriber-only restrictions where appropriate. Once configured, save changes and test with a second account to confirm the reward flow is working. You finish by testing channel points with a separate viewer account. Watch, earn, and try redeeming a reward to validate behavior. If redemptions fail, make incremental adjustments to earn rates and reward costs to balance engagement. Once satisfied, publish the changes and announce the new rewards to your community. If something goes wrong, check the creator dashboard for errors, disable conflicting extensions, clear cache, and verify Twitch service status. Contacting Twitch support is the last step if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.